draw a golden retriever with me. I really like doing art, and these are just one of my art pieces, however. Casper the Poodle, my best friend, she's so good, a little bit, quite better than me. She's literally phenomenal, so please go check her out. I know I usually do acting videos, but I also like doing arts physically, not just performance art. But yeah, please go check out Casper the Poodle, it's in the title. Please go support her because she's actually so amazing and she's so good at art. This is me shading. Now I don't know why my pencil looks like it hasn't been sharpened in 5 years, but I promise you it was sharpened. Just ignore that. I'm tracing it out more vividly right now.
I just discovered voice chat.
Mendes pencil has some fire beats. Mendes pencil has some fire. Beats. Mendes pencil has some fire.
I tried to add voice effects, but it cow?
Drawing the light back, drawing the light back, drawing the light back, drawing the light back.
Okay, now I'm just drawing the fur and shading everything in, and then the end result's ready. So beautiful, so elegant,